Okay, I'm gonna do this video on the Polara here. It's a 64. It has a Poly 318 engine in it, and let me open this up here. It's all original. It's got a lot of attention. It gets a lot of attention because of the way it looks. Anyway, just recently I replaced the master cylinder because it done gave out. But look at that. That's pretty neat right there, isn't it? Anyway, this is the original decal for the antifreeze. You could see where it was just not put on right. Here's what's left of the battery one, and that's the original air cleaner decal. All the wiring is original. It's not butchered up. You can see it still has that small tag on it. But anyway, oh, it is a 3-speed. It's a 3-speed on the column. And you could see the shifter right there. It's got the pedal there, clutch pedal. But look at the interior. The interior is all original. I mean, it's no rips, no tears. The headliner is immaculate condition. The only rip that it has is right here. This edge of the visor kind of came unsewn. You could see it right there. But this is the original color on the car. I just a couple weeks ago, actually a couple weeks ago, yeah, I replaced the springs, put super stock springs on it with the extenders that needed to be put on it. But it needs to be cleaned up. It needs to be I don't want to paint it. I don't think it's gonna be feasible to paint it because I mean it's too clean the way it looks right now. I do have the original 14-inch wheels with the spinner hubcaps. I have Steelies for the front. I have 15x5s. They hold the bigger hubcap. The rears are 15x8s, and I wanted to try these center lines on it, but you can see it's all, I mean, nice. It's old, it's nice, and there's a couple cracks on the dash pad there, but it is considered a 440. It doesn't have, it's not the 500. It doesn't have the console. But what's unique about it is it's a 3-speed. 3-speed and manual steering, manual transmission. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to do something about this. So I've been thinking of what to do with it. You could see the front wheels are 15. I think they're 15x5s, 5 or 6, I don't remember, and the rears are 15x8s. So here's what I'm going to do, and I've seen a couple videos of that being done, and I went ahead and got me my go to town by Script Garage flannel 2X. It's a little bit big, but I got that, and I got some of this chine juice. I don't know, he says that you could do one car with half of it, but I went ahead and got 2 of them. So we're gonna try this on, see what it does. I have used linseed oil, boiled linseed oil with that got reduced, half of it, with what is it called, paint thinner, or just some sort of a reducer, and it worked good, and it wasn't oily or anything, but I'm gonna give this a try. Once it's all really nicely done up, I'm gonna put the shirt on and go to town with it. All right, let's see what it looks like after I'm done. Okay, it's a nice sunny day, and I'm gonna be putting that this right here, Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice. From what I hear, there's really no right or wrong way to put it on, so I'm just gonna get one of these fine towels and just wipe it on and hope for a good result. Let's see what happens. Okay, smells good too. Okay, I just did half of the car right now. You could see this is darker, this is dull. This, you could see where the actual shine juice went on. And I just did this side right here. It took 10-15 minutes to do it. It's pretty sunny, so it's kind of hot, and it doesn't evaporate or anything. This stuff does really work. It doesn't smell bad. You could see it kind of like it's shining. And the roof, I did half of the roof. You can see that right there. I haven't done the trunk area yet, but right here is where you could really tell the difference. That's got the juice on it, that side does not. And I'm gonna do the trunk, and on the roof you could see where this is shinier and that's kind of dull. So they say that this lasts a while. The car is under a cover most of the time. I'm gonna do the trunk, and then I'll complete this side, clean the windows, and we'll be ready for coffee and donuts tomorrow. All right, let's keep wiping. Okay, I got the trunk done, and I have to say that I think it looks good. I did half of this quarter panel here from the door back. You can definitely see the difference. It did clean up the areas that the paint is actually in fair condition. but you could definitely see a difference in the way it shines. So I have to give them a thumbs up. It's good product. I probably used maybe not even half of the not even close to half, maybe a quarter of the container with what I've done. So I'm probably down to like right here right now, and I got 2 cans of this stuff. So I'm gonna continue doing the roof and the quarter panel and touch up any missed paces and go from there. Well, boys and girls, here it is. It's completely shine juiced. I think it looks good. I went ahead and put a little bit of that shine juice on the green or black accents on the grill and lamp extensions. But I have to say that it looks good. It looks better than it was. It gave the rust a good look. It actually looks pretty good. I aired up the tires, shined up the tires just a tad bit, and I think they did a good job with it. They did a good job with that shine juice. If this doesn't last as long as they say it is, what I'm going to do is I'll probably end up using flat clear on it and go that route. Just sand it lightly and go that route. I did have to sand this. I sanded it with I think it was a 280. Got some of the rust because it was actually getting a little bit heavy right here, and on the trunk as well. But check this out. I tried a little bit on the 63 here, on the Ford, and there's a difference right there. That's just a little wipe on, and you could see it actually livened it up. So I guess we're going to be doing this one here real soon, and we'll do another video on this truck. It's a neat little truck. It's got a 302 in it. It's a 550 HO50 with a C4, and it's a neat little go-to-town truck also. Got that low car shifter on there, and had to drop the seat down a lot because us big folk, we don't kind of fit in there. But it's a neat little truck, and I guess we're gonna have to do the shine juice on this one too. This is a primer, but I gotta fix this up here. I'm gonna just cut and weld a piece of flat metal on there and just clean it up and do that. I really don't want to do a lot of body work on it. I am looking for all the strips, the chrome strips. All I have is this piece and one piece on the other side, but I'd like to put all the trim on it. Okay, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching this video. You know, good job, Vice Grip Garage. He makes a good product, I have to tell you that. And appreciate you watching this video. Tell me what you think, and see you next time. Have a good weekend.